Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow us on Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, let's take a look at what we will be expecting on gold, AUD, XAU, USD. That is what we'll be expecting. That is on our goal. So do well to follow us on Telegram to stay updated. Now, if you take a look at this, you can see that the trend is on an uptrend move, right? So let me remove this. There was a time that I told you guys, if you were following my channel consistently, if you know, right, I told you guys I would be expecting that movement to the upside, which it did. Markets eventually, fell, due to some things that happened. Markets fell. Now, market is currently going. So, where do you think this market is heading to? So, our long-term bias is our market is coming to a level of 2423. So, if you have to zoom it out, right, if you take a look at this is what the resistance level. What can you see here? The support level. This is also support level. You can see resistance level. This is the support level. Market came again to retest the support level. What do you think market is doing next? Market is definitely coming to this resistance level. So from this support level, we are heading to this resistance level. So our long-term bias is to the upside. So if you are a position trader or a swing trader, I would say this will be the best time for you to hop in on gold. So we should be expecting it to come to a level of 2423. That's itself will be giving you more than 500 pips. You can see you should be expecting more than 500 pips on this. If you can hop in now, there's a way you can do it. Maybe you risk about 50 to 100 pips, and your target should be about 100 and 500 pips. I mean, that is 1 to 5, right? So if you are a position trader, swing trader, anyone, you should be opening on right now on gold. So to stay updated, you need to follow us on our Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.